This is the FLISSA Pocket Folding Knife. I received this one as a free evaluation sample from the vendor, but I will share my independent and honest opinion with you. First, I'm going to have open box review. Second, I'm going to talk about the blade material. Third, I'm going to discuss the design pro and cons. And last, I'm going to share some of my final thought and conclusions. And here it is. This is a beautiful folding pocket knife with a wooden handle and a belt clip. Very elegant design. Jumping open because ball bearing, ergonomic design. I kind of started liking it just from the open box at the first sight. The whole length about almost 8 inch. The blade is about 3 and 3/2 inch. It's weighted about 121 gram and almost like the 4 1/4 ounce. So very light. The smooth secret is ball bearing. You can click jumping open it. And also they has mark about the blade material 14C28. And this is almost push this knife to the high-end market. And here's the cutting test. They're gonna have paper, paperboard, and wood. For the paper cast, it's so smooth, it's so sharp. You can hear those sound, it's so satisfying. I really like the cutting those papers. And now here's the board. It's also smooth, effortless cutting. All the board just destroyed it. And the knife is still very sharp and there's no damage on the edge. Here's the wood. I pick up from the backyard. This is actually pretty tough wood, but you can see you chop it, you cut it, no problem. All the chipping it, but the knife is still intact. If you can look at the blade material, the edge retention is pretty good. That is why this is the 14C28 and this is high-end or super stainless steel. Now we can talk about a little bit more about the blade material. This blade is actually in the high-end market, almost the same performance as Buck 102 material in terms of the corrosion resistance, in terms of edge retention and toughness. This is all rated the same as 420 HC, which is a Buck knife. Now let's talk about the design. First, I really like those wooden handles, beautiful. And the second one, I really like those ball bearing joint. You opened it, it's jumping open. This is my favorite knife as well, the Kershaw knife, but you cannot open it because there's no ball bearings. The third part I really like is the liner steel. You have the stainless steel on both ends of the wood part. That's actually make the strength of the material. I also like those engraved brand on the knife. This make it permanent. The design cons, the first one is on the bottom side, expose the blade. Like a Kershaw, they actually has enclosed the space, so that's actually better protection for the blade. You can see the FLISSA has open blade, so that's not good. The second one, on the top of the blade handle, I can feel very smooth, but for the FLISSA, I can feel those gaps, and that's gonna hurt my thumb. And that's the design flaw versus Kershaw. That's the very good design from Kershaw. So that's something they can improve. So for the belt clip, Kershaw pretty wide, FLISSA is too narrow. And here's the liner material. The Kershaw is about 1.5 millimeter, and the FLISSA is only 1.21 millimeter. So it's very thinner. It's not good. Finally, I really like this material, even though they have some design flaws, but still in the high-end market with very economic price. This is a 5-star beautiful knife, very good quality. 14C28N, make everything. Thank you.